thanks Marlito. Ayan, nag-send ka na ng heart me. Hi, JM. I am. Alex, hello. Good day. Ahmed. Such a beauty. Thank you. Perfect, Marlito. Thank you so much. Hi, Ariel. Hi, John. Thank you for the follow. Guys, piso-piso lang. Yes, that's it. Ano ba lang? Hi, Chill. Chill Will. D. Hindi pwedeng sabihin dito. Hi, Yuri. Bawal sabihin dito na ako umalis. Magaganda ko. Hi, Will. Hi, Ryan. Hi, Carl. Ginamit ko tong ano yung itong old phone ko. Maganda yung ano niya. Camera niya. Yes, that's it. I'm fine, chill. How about you? How are you? Can you hear me? Hi, Jack. Aqua. Poor boy. Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, old phone. Kahit low quality siya, okay naman siya. Pero naglalag na siya madalas. Yeah, Will. That's good. Hi, Mark. Mark's fun. Hi, Abby. Sunny. Hi, boss. Hi, boss. Okay. I-open ko yung mata mo. Hi, Zel. It was back in 1999. Oh, no. Hindi naman. Hindi din good sense. Ano lang, pag may time lang. J. Marie, hello. Pag may time lang. Wala ba? Or hindi siya madala. Dati, nung nag-aaral pa ako, active talaga ako. Pero nung mag-start ako mag-vlog, once in a blue moon lang, pag nakaalala ako. After a year, ngayon na nga lang ulit eh, God since. After a year. Oy, thank you! After a year. Alex! Where? Hello. Hindi ako, ano, excuse. Hi, GB! Fourth wife? And you will send me 6 dragons? Hi! Oh my gosh. Hi, Black Rider. GB, kamusta? Yes, Mr. C, you're still. Oh, you won 50, Mr. C. Congrats. Will you give it to me, Mr. C? Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, you did one. Oh my god. I'm so sour. I'm so salty. yung basket. Hello. Guys, road to 300! Road to 300, guys! Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Siha.